have a very special deal. When you use your HSN card today, it's a special Monday deal, you'll get a $20 coupon to use on a $99 purchase. I'm gonna suggest you use it on this because this is, there you go, coupon. You can use that as many times as you want today. If you're scribbling down that coupon code, you can always ask your representative as well. It's coupon code 185722. Now, we are sticking with brother, and that means Julie Faye Fan Balzer is with us. Julie, okay, by the way, made this shirt on our today's special sewing machine and serger. I'm so impressed.
I was impressed with myself. I didn't think I could do it, so I'm glad.
See, you know what? That's actually what our tagline should be. Impress yourself with brother. This is always a huge customer
This is my baby.
Pick.
This is my love.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
This is the ScanNCut DX. This is the highest end, the latest, the updated Brother ScanNCut. This is the only machine that has a computer built in that, of course, this will cut. You can scan into this, and it's got that onboard computer. Look at everything that you made, because this will cut through that vinyl, that iron-on, that faux leather, your quilting squares, whatever you want. But maybe it's your child's sweet artwork. This will scan it in and you can put this on anything. So this is completely different than any other, just a plain old cutting machine. But we have it today at $351. Holy cow, you are saving $80 today.
It's a great deal because, you know, to me, crafting is completely synonymous with custom. And the ScanNCut does custom so well. So what I'm doing right now is I have this cute little bunny design that I just downloaded from the internet. It could be a coloring book pattern, handwriting, whatever you want. And I am scanning it into the machine. Again, the ScanNCut is the only machine with the built-in scanner. So you can see this little outline. I can now see that outline here on the screen. It's there for me right now, okay? And that means that I can now do whatever I want. I'm gonna drag the arrows in. This is not hard to use. As you can see, it's a touch screen and it's incredibly intuitive, right? So when I'm ready, I hit preview and then okay. And there is a computer built into the ScanNCut. So that means it has memory. So you can save, which I'm gonna do, right into the memory of the machine, which is so easy. You never have to remember where you put that file you were looking for, right? Then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna go ahead and grab that file that we just created, that we just saved. So there it is, my cute little bunny. How cute is that? But I don't like a little bunny. Easter's a big holiday. That bunny's gotta be big. So I'm going to go into edit, because again, there's a computer inside here. So you don't need separate software. You don't need a computer. You don't need internet. You can use this machine with all those things, but you don't need it. And I'm just gonna push this plus key until that bunny gets as big as I want it to. Ooh. And one of the things I was gonna say, sorry, that you're getting with the bundle is the 12 by 24 mat. So that's
for the first time.
That's why we wanna make it huge.
Well, I just wanted to restate, you don't need a tablet, you don't need a computer, you don't need internet to use this. And that differentiates this from any of the other cutting machines, because you have to have a tablet. So when you think about the price point, $351, you don't have to have a $300 tablet to be able to use it. You don't have to have a $500 computer to be able to use it, and you don't even need internet. So you could be using this any place at any time. So this is the brand new mat, right?
This is, by the way, in case I didn't show you how big this is.
Oh my gosh.
That's really big. That's a huge piece of fabric that's on there. So I'm just gonna I load this in the same way I would any other mat. I have my hands right up front. There's guides here. I snug it in and I press the load button. And then that is gonna pull this big mat right in there, okay? Now, one of the magical things about the ScanNCut DX, which has changed my life, is this little guy. This is the auto blade. And what that auto blade does is you'll see when I go through here and I select, I only have to select the word cut. That's all I have to do. I don't have to tell it what I'm cutting. I don't have to tell it, you know, how thick it is. I don't have to change anything at all. That's all I'm doing. And then I press start, and the machine is going to take 1 minute to cut out this giant bunny for me. So now the world of designs is open to you. Anything that's on the internet, anything that you draw, anything that you see, oh man, scan it, put it in the machine, and it is going to cut out of the material that you want it to cut out of, which I love.
So what kind of materials can it cut?
So you actually have a little ring over there that shows some of the materials. So it's most materials up to 3 millimeters. So it is fabric, paper, leather, tissue paper. I like to make my own stencils out of acrylic and plastic. You can definitely cut, obviously, cardstock and all sorts of fun things like that. You can cut chipboard.
Foam.
Yes.
Hard
There's so many different things.
Glitter, leather. Wow,
so now I'm just gonna pull off the excess here. So we'll reveal our bunny. And now you can see my giant bunny. And
you went from this to that?
Yeah, look at the difference in size there.
Oh my gosh.
That tiny little drawing to this ginormous bunny, because everything is custom with the ScanNCut. You scan it, you cut it, and then you can create it. So create it, actually, Shannon, you'll see there's a little stuffed bunny, if you don't mind grabbing it, right there.
I noticed him over here.
Right?
And I thought he was so cute. So you transformed that into this with your today's special sewing machine.
So you just take the sewing machine, you cut 2 identical pieces, which is easy to do with your ScanNCut, put them face together, stitch them, stuff them, flip them, done.
That would be
cool.
That'd be so much better than candy in an Easter basket.
Well, it's a personal toy too. You could even take an old favorite dress or something and use that as the fabric. So it really is a personalized toy for somebody, which I think is really special.
Really sweet. So this really does, I mean, if we're taking everything to the next level, if you can dream it, you can make it with the Brother ScanNCut. We've got $80 off today. This is the best value you're gonna find anywhere in the market. If you have an HSN card, you'll get an additional $20 off. We're not saying, well, look, you already got $80 off. Don't be greedy. Use that coupon. You can use it on anything you want, even though this is practically a clearance price at brand new. Today only, you'll save $20 on orders of $99 or more with your HSN card. You can use that coupon on your Brother ScanNCut and on the Today's Special. You just click purchase, make them 2 different purchases, but the shipping will be $5 total, no matter how many purchases you make throughout the day. If you have any questions about that, you can always ask one of your representatives. They'll make it really simple for you. Big customer pick. This is item number 643888.
So one of the reasons I think it's a huge customer pick is the auto blade. So I haven't touched this blade since we cut the fabric, but what I am gonna do is press start. I am cutting a very thick, felt.
Super thick felt.
I know, and so all I'm gonna do is I need to change this back to a 12 by 12 mat. So I'm just gonna go to my settings, and then you can see the mat size is right here. So I changed it back to a 12 by 12 mat. I'm gonna go ahead and retrieve my file. Super easy to do. And then again, it's the same process. Auto blade is magical and amazing. Not only is it super quiet, but I don't have to touch a thing, think about how thick it is. I just press start, and the machine now is gonna do all the work. And can you see that time estimate on there? That blows my mind. So what's gonna happen, it says 1 minute. Now it's gonna double, and I'm gonna tell you why. The way that this blade works for the auto blade to work is that it's gonna cut once all the way around. Then when it senses it needs to go a little bit deeper, it's gonna cut a second time all around in exactly, precisely the same spot. And that is how you get those really clean, beautiful precision cuts out of things like really thick felt, out of leather, out of chipboard, and all those other kinds of materials. So this is
like
really,
a robot. I mean, it's seriously like, it sounds like a robot, and it's like, not quite cut all the way through, do it again. Like, that's really amazing. It does it until it gets it just right. That's why it's our showstopper. We want you to get the best of the best home. Includes design content as well. So if you're thinking, well, I don't know, what would I even start with? It gives you ideas that are built in. So you don't ever have to worry, we're gonna get you started, and then of course, your own imagination is gonna start to soar when you realize what you can do with it.
I just wanted to show you, because you said this is part of the extra value you're getting is all of these different patterns. So it's all of these different little boxes.
Are they built into the machine?
Yeah, so actually you have, they're not. You have built-in designs that you're getting here, and I have a whole book full of.
Holy cow.
Yeah, I know. All of these built-in designs you're getting, but then this is additionally, only with this bundle, you are also getting these other designs, and that will come on a card, which you will activate through CanvasWorkspace. And I actually, if you don't mind holding this for 1 second, I have a tablet here, and what I just want to show you is this is CanvasWorkspace. It is free. There is no subscription. It is 100% free. And this is where you will activate and get your projects, and they do also upload at least 4 new projects every single month. And I can actually send from here. If I just go ahead and tap on that, I'm gonna see the project on my screen, okay? There it is. Oh. And I can actually send this wirelessly on over to my machine, because this machine comes ready wirelessly activated.
So to use the machine, you don't have to have a tablet or the internet, but if you want to be able to access all of that content, you can. I mean, that's pretty awesome.
Or if you don't want to
send it wirelessly.
Yeah, and if you don't want to use a tablet, you can put a USB thumb drive right in the end with the files on it as well. But if I just quickly show you before I pull this cut file off, I'm just going to show you that that pattern that we just sent over, if I just press the wireless button, it is right here on the screen, that exact pattern. And that's how easy it is to send anything over to the ScanNCut. Isn't that cool?
Wow. And now, if people are new to sort of cutting machines and just off the bat, they may not realize that this sensing blade is unlike anything in any other machine. You would have to say what you're using. You'd have to take out your blade and put in a different blade, right? For each sort of fabrication that you're using, you have to use a different blade. This knows.
Exactly. So I've cut this felt, and remember, we didn't adjust anything. It just cut it out right after the fabric. I didn't need to tell it what it was. And now I'm doing an incredible job rolling this. And Shannon, if you don't mind handing me that tiny little pot, I will show you why we're folding this. And that is because this is about to become a little succulent.
Aww.
Just like that. You know, and you've made this really
centerpiece.
Cute for Easter or any holiday. This is a plant I feel like I can keep alive. And that is saying something.
I'm with you on that.
Definitely.
Oh my goodness. Honestly, your bunny, like this would take you minutes, right?
Yes.
Your succulent literally took you probably seconds if we weren't talking. I mean, it took a little while for it to cut out. But as far, you know, when I look at recipes and I don't look at total time. Like it might say total time to make an hour. Hands-on time, 5 minutes. I'm like, So this is total project, hands-on time, minutes to do amazing projects.
It is amazing, and I think one of the things that I love the most about the machine is that built-in scanner. And what I'm actually doing now is I am scanning in this piece of paper, because anything that you see, you can scan it in. So a stamp design that you want to cut around, anything like that, and the machine, the scanner inside, will see the pattern and create a cut line around it. Now, it is just a robot, so you have to tell it exactly what you want to do, which you'll see me do, but this is beautiful paper, and it would take me a long time to like cut out these roses. But instead, I'm going to ask the ScanNCut to do it for me. So I'm just going to pull in on what I would like cut out. Let's see if I can.
No, is this simple? Do you feel like the learning curve is simple when people get it home?
I feel like it's really simple to use. And in fact, I mean, what I would say is if you're nervous at all, watch some tutorials and really see, do you know what I mean, if the tutorial makes sense to you. Because if you can see that the touch screen is easy, the other thing I want to point out, Shannon, to your point 100%, is this book. This book comes in your box, and what it is it is a project from start to finish, okay? You even get the blue piece of paper that you need to make this project.
This one.
Yeah, that cute little box. And it has pictures along with text, and it is gonna take you through how to make this without even having to think about it. Isn't that cool?
So that
you will have made a project by the time this is done. No problem. And you'll notice,
and now
by the way,
you'll know everything about your machine.
See how there's drawing on here? It's a little bit hard to see because it's a black pen on a dark blue piece of paper, but you will learn to both cut and draw, because this machine cuts, draws, embosses, foils. It does so many different things, and this book really is the key to figuring all of that out.
Excellent. Okay, so you were talking about the flowers. Thanks for stopping down to explain that, because for those of us who are new to this,
it's important.
It's really advanced technology, but you don't have to be a computer geek to be able to know how to use it.
Exactly, which I love. So you can pick exactly what you want to cut out here, okay? And then you can play around. This is, again, everything is customizable with the ScanNCut. So you can play around with the slider here to get different, you know, dark to light, so that you get exactly the cut or the scan that you want. And you know, if you think about what you can do, you can take a single cut file now and you can make it into so many different things. Because I don't know if you can see that tiny little bunny that's there on the front of the table.
This one?
Yeah, so guess what? That's the same
It's the mama bunny and the
as
baby
our
bunny.
big bunny, or even the pillow that's on the table, which you can see over there, right? That one is also the same file, but used totally differently, and that's a great no-sew project, really. You can just iron that on. Yeah, that's super easy, right?
I'm into that.
I love that. And of course, you could use the bunny file for a banner. I think we have one here that's a gift tag. You know, it's like you don't need a ton to make so many things, because when it's customizable, that the size, the material, everything can be changed, then you know what? The world is your oyster.
It is. Now, when we talk about what you're getting today, you're getting the latest and the greatest in the brother. Scan, cut, draw, emboss. What else did you say?
Sorry, scan, draw, emboss, foil.
Foil.
Yes.
Machine, but that was too long to put in the title, so we just put the scan and cut in the title. But this is a $481 value that you're getting today, because we're also including the 12 pattern collection of the cutting files. You also get the 50 design CD collection as well, so you're getting 50 designs, and this is like start to finish of those great designs. You even get that full, the biggest one ever, 12 by 24 tack mat included.
Exactly. So now, people often ask about cutting materials other than paper and fabric. They want to cut things like vinyl. Vinyl's extraordinarily popular.
Like this was vinyl probably, right?
Yeah, that sign is vinyl, and it's really cute, right? So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and cut some vinyl for you, because the way that we do it with the ScanNCut DX with the auto blade is kind of different than you may be used to.
Oh, sorry, you're more of your succulents.
Yeah,
oh
so
my
those
gosh,
are made from foam.
Those are so crazy cute.
So here's a pro crafter tip, which is that green one that has the brown edges. That's just marker. That's just marker that's been put on there to make it look a little bit more like a plant, which is really cool. So I want to show you something called background scan, because again, the ScanNCut is the only machine that has that built-in scanner. So right now I have a piece of black vinyl and a piece of white vinyl on my mat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan them in, okay? And I'm going to be able to see them on the screen so that I can place the two different files exactly where I want, so that I can have, you know, cut more than one thing at a time, right? So you can see this one here. It's hard to see the one that's on the black. But don't worry, because within your settings, you can actually change that background lighter, and now can you see the second file come up right here? Isn't that cool? So what I can do now is I can say, okay, I do want to cut, but remember I said there was a trick to cutting vinyl, and that trick to cutting vinyl is you want to go into the settings, and you want to make sure you choose half cut. That tells the auto blade, I don't want to cut all the way through the vinyl. I just want to do a half cut, otherwise known as a kiss cut, so that I will cut part way through there. Now, you can do a test cut if you're not sure if your settings are correct. So you can just go ahead and grab that tiny little test cut. So it'll just take up a tiny piece of your vinyl. Press start. And the auto blade is going to take it in, and it's going to test. You'll see it go down. There, it's testing the mat. Now it's testing the material. There you go. And now it's gonna go ahead and just cut out that tiny little test cut. So I can grab my hook tool, and I can go ahead and see if I can even find the test cut. That's the hardest part of it. There it is. And then, oop, cut out perfectly. It's so tiny, that's why I need the hook. But there it is, you can see. Cut out perfectly. So now I know that I can press start, and it's gonna go ahead and cut this out for me. So the reason that we talk about the kiss cut, it's a little bit easier if you see it. So I'm just gonna grab this for 1 second, sorry.
That's all right. Got lots of fun stuff here.
I'm cutting out these two. This is what I'm cutting out right now. Okay, so you can see that one is white, one is black, and we're gonna layer them together. Cute. So all I do is I take my transfer sheet, and I can go ahead and do that.
We gotta wrap up real fast. So of course I wanna see that finished, but if you are on the phone, you're welcome to stay there to get your amazing showstopper. We're gonna give you just another second so that we can see exactly how that works, because that can be kind of a tricky one.
It is. I have layer number 1. I can see through the transfer sheet. I put it down onto layer number 2, so it gets that beautiful,
little shadow effect.
That little shadow effect outline. And again, you're just rubbing, and that is gonna help you pull that off. And you can hear that the machine, by the way, is already done.
Wow.
And once it's on here, I can now take it, put it onto, let's say, any surface that I want, like this vase.
Aww.
Do a little bit of rubbing, and it is gonna now be this beautiful thing for Mother's Day, right, that I've custom done. And that took no time at all, thanks to the precision and the ease of the ScanNCut DX and its auto blade.
That is so cool. I love that.
Me too.
All right, well, if you are loving it, and even if you're a little bit curious, we have a 30-day return policy here at HSN. You can get it home today for $351, but if you come back tomorrow, $429, and if you purchased it separately, $481. So definitely get those. Big customer pick. We'll be right back with our today's special after this.